It is Vault XL. This is a brief live pertaining to Lori Vallow, Daybell, and the court proceedings. As most of you know, the jury selection is ongoing at this moment. When I get an update that a jury is finalized, I will bring you that said information. As most of you know, Mr. Larry Woodcock was in limbo about being able to sit in the proceedings. There's this issue with her defense team saying he's not a biological relative of the young boy JJ. In the end, it doesn't matter. He's married to a relative, the wife. It doesn't matter. And now I got information I've posted to my community board that Mr. Woodcock will be allowed to attend the proceedings with his wife. There's Idaho law pertaining to witnesses and people testifying in the courtroom and what they can hear and not hear, which I understand that you don't want maybe certain people that are going to be witnesses to testify to hear other people's testimonies in court as to not jump on the bandwagon of what other people. It's over. Oh, okay. Jury selection is over. Okay. Thank you, honey. I just read an update. Well, that was 11 hours ago, so excuse me for that. That was a video I watched, and it was a little older. Okay, so the selection is over. So anyway, I have to change my title. I'm a little discombobulated right now. But anyway, my issue is the defense team having a problem with the family being in the court. That's something that bothered me, because I'm trying to understand the audacity of Lori to not want these people in the courtroom. Why not? They're going to hear the information regardless. They're going to hear every dirty detail. They're going to hear all the evidence. They're going to hear everything. So I don't understand why in the world this woman would tell these attorneys to bid for these people not to be in the court. It's ridiculous to me. But it shows you how narcissistic she is. She's very narcissistic. She and this other thing that she married, they're very narcissistic people. And it's sad to me because they've killed a wife, a boy child, and a girl child, and a husband. And it's just ridiculous to me that even near the end, you're going to court for murder, plural, and you're worrying about who's going to be in the courtroom. When you go to my community board, you will see information posted, a video that's done with Mr. Woodcock, and he's given an interview pertaining to his opinion of Lori, and he calls her a chameleon. Not chameleon, but a chameleon. It's so funny. But it's sad and it's pathetic because she's a chameleon. She's definitely a chameleon. She's disgusting. You'll get a brief clip of her being interrogated at the police station. And as he said, when the wings close, you know, there's the devil right there, just sitting right there in front of you, just making up stuff, you know, lying about her kids and relationships and things. Just a sad human being. And you have to ask yourself, how did it come to be that she became this person? Was she always this person, or was she misled by Chad and his theories, his whack theories? Very interesting information. But that's what I wanted to share with you, was the issue about the court, about who's going to be in the court and allowed to be in the court. So far, Mr. Larry will be able to attend court, because I was feeling some type of way about him not being able to attend. Hello, Bandit. Thank you. I was concerned about that because I felt like that would be very unfair to him and the wife and family members if he couldn't attend court, because that's the battle, I guess, with the Idaho law of victims versus witnesses and who can sit in the court proceedings. But he will be able to attend the court. The boys, you talking about Cal City, sweetheart? I'm covering all the stories that I've covered before. Any updates? Yeah, well, Lee, that's the whole. Idaho has, I guess, you know, strict laws about who's a witness, who's a who's a victim. That's the issue with the Idaho law. So I guess they don't want certain people hearing other people's testimonies, and then they get on the witness stand and perhaps, add a little something similar to what that person said. But naturally, all these people have given statements, assumingly to the police. That's why they would be chosen as a witness in the first place. So it is what it is. I'm going to be back a little bit later to talk to you all about Brian Koiberger. I want to get that over with. I'm sorry this live is so short because I'm in between doing things, but that's my feelings right now. Mr. Larry will be allowed in the court proceedings, as the one in the chat said. Court will resume on Monday. Sorry. The information I had just read, I just realized it was several hours ago when they of the information pertaining to the proceedings. But I will get back with you all with an update, and prayers for this family. Happy that they will be able to attend court, but I just think it's so cheesy that this woman would not want these people in court, but that's expected of a psychopath. They want to do all they can while they're in court to lie, manipulate, and I think by now she should know she can't, because those kids were found dead on her husband's property, and it is what it is. I'll be back a little bit later. Thank you for following the content. I've missed you all too. I'll be back here shortly and bring you another live pertaining to Brian Koiberger. I want to get that information out too, and we still can cover Lori in that live stream. Like, share, subscribe, drop your comments below, hit the community page, hit the like button. If you want to donate to this great network, $BigAngie129 Cash App. I'll be back shortly. Thank you for your time.